Hello, I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes with Heart Truth Ministries, and this is your truth for the week. The secrets to an effective prayer life, it all begins with the approach. 5 minutes or less, I promise you we're going to get more effective in your prayer. It's about your approach. One, you've got to come boldly. That means you come without fear. I said fearless. You come without fear. You come near to him with the freedom of knowing, even though you might have messed up, if you don't ask, you don't receive. You got to come before his throne. God says, come boldly. He says that you can have confidence in knowing that he hears you. He knows that you're in need of things before you even ask. He says prayer is your communication with him. And so we need to recognize, if you're going to put this into practice, you've got to then go before the throne. You've got to start praying, no matter how little, no matter how short, you've got to begin to pray. And do it boldly. Secondly, you got to be real with your prayer. Don't act like he doesn't know. He sees all, he knows all. He's about all of that. But if you want to get over your circumstance, first you have to get over yourself. That means that you have to not think more highly of yourself than you ought. Just come real, crying if you need to. Let the tears fall. Angry if you want to, but you also must forgive, because he says, now, if you're not going to forgive, you need to leave that thing right there before you come back to me. Go get reconciled with your brother first. So one, you got to come in, but secondly, you got to reconcile with the other people here on this horizontal plane before you come to him, before you come and you talk to him from that vertical level. Then thirdly, you're going to come expectant. That means you're going to come knowing the promises of God. That means that you need to read your word. You need to be in your word. You need to know what he has said. And even though you know what he has said, you've got to know him. You've got to know about his character. You've got to recognize that he is more than just some ogre in the sky. But God has a great plan for each and every one of us. If we're going to be effective in our prayer, the first thing we have to do is approach him right, approach it boldly, come real, and come expectant, thinking that he is going to do something about it, because he is standing, waiting to do just that. I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes with your truth for the week. I'm helping you put feet to your faith so that you can walk victoriously. Hey, you got to be a doer of the word and not just a hearer only. Have an absolutely fantastic rest of your week.
Hi, thanks for listening and watching. And if you enjoyed what you've seen, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification button so you'll know the next time there's a new episode. Listen, as a result of my coaching program, my clients have experienced a calming of the emotional roller coaster. They have a compelling future, as well as a confidence in the know-how to achieve it. And they have clarity on the financial tools that they need in order to live life on their terms and save tens of thousands of dollars. I'm looking for women who are devastated by the double Ds, divorce or death, who want to gain confidence to live life on their terms with peace and financial security. My question is, who do you know? Have them go ahead and book a call with me so that we can get to that compelling future. My heart may be broke, but your bank account doesn't have to be.
You can find us online at htruth.org. At Heart to Heart Truth Ministries, we're helping believers live an abundant life based on God's word, standing on his promises, walking out his principles, sharing with God's people, serving as unto the Lord.